morning and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking cinnamon rolls in the air fryer.
You need parchment paper and a can of cinnamon rolls.
Cut a circle out of parchment paper and place it on top of your air frying plate. Make sure you cut tabs on the ends. This will make it easier to take the cinnamon rolls out of the air fryer. Now comes the fun part, opening up and popping the cinnamon roll can. Place your cinnamon rolls on the parchment paper, put the first one in the center, and then work a circle around them. I am getting so excited about the Oscars coming up. I have a favorite movie that I hope wins Best Picture. It's got a wonderful soundtrack. But sometimes I think they put too much cinnamon in movies. After all, why do they have to have a category for cinematography? Make sure you've preheated your air fryer for 3 minutes before you place the cinnamon rolls in there. These are ready to go. Cook your cinnamon rolls at 300 degrees for 10 minutes. At 5 minutes, take them out and flip them over. We're halfway through the cooking time. Now let's flip the cinnamon rolls. Don't they look amazing already? The tabs make it so easy to handle the cinnamon rolls. The cinnamon rolls are flipped over. Time to place them back in the air fryer for 5 more minutes and finish them up. They look wonderful and they smell good too. Now we can start icing them. My husband Gary had an idea to improve the efficiency of cooking. He suggests cutting out 2 identical circles of parchment paper. At your 5-minute mark, when you take the cinnamon rolls out to flip, take them out, lay the second layer of parchment on top, and just flip it over. It'll save time. I look forward to doing that next time. This was easy. I was talking with my friend Marion this past week, and she seemed genuinely surprised that you could cook cinnamon rolls in the air fryer. Well, Marion, this video was made with you in mind. I hope you and all of my other wonderful friends have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment or click like.